For most of human history, people lived without hospitals, modern medicine, or the technology that shapes our lives today. They walked long distances, searched for food, faced changing environments, and depended on their physical abilities every day. Yet when researchers study ancient human remains, they sometimes discover evidence of strong bones, active lifestyles, and bodies shaped by demanding conditions. This leads to a fascinating question. Were ancient humans actually healthier than we are today? The answer is not as simple as it may first appear. Ancient humans were not automatically healthier than modern people. They lived in a world that required constant movement and physical adaptation, while modern humans benefit from medical discoveries, safer environments, and longer life expectancy. But modern lifestyles have also created new health challenges. To understand this contrast, we need to look at what archaeology reveals about the human body and the environments that shaped it. For much of human history, humans lived as hunter-gatherers. Their survival depended on finding food, moving through landscapes, and adapting to local conditions. This lifestyle required significant physical effort. Archaeological evidence from ancient skeletons provides clues about these lives. Researchers can study bone structure, injuries, dental remains, and other biological evidence to understand patterns of activity, nutrition, and disease. Some ancient remains show signs of strong physical development linked to active lifestyles. Their bodies reflect the demands placed on them by their environment. But this does not mean ancient humans were living a healthier version of modern life. It means their bodies were shaped by different circumstances. A person who regularly walks, carries heavy materials, and performs physically demanding tasks will develop differently from someone whose daily life involves much less movement. Human biology responds to the challenges of the environment. However, physical strength is only one part of health. Ancient humans also faced serious risks that modern societies can often reduce or treat. Injuries, infections, food shortages, and environmental dangers were major threats throughout history. So the question is not whether ancient humans were stronger. The deeper question is whether strength alone tells the complete story of health. Food provides another important comparison between past and present. Ancient humans did not live in a world of unlimited food choices. Their diets depended on what was available in their environment and could change with seasons, climate, and location. Some groups consumed a wide variety of natural foods, while others faced periods when resources were limited. Modern societies have created a very different food environment. Many people today have access to more calories and more food options than ever before. This provides major advantages, but it has also introduced new challenges. Reduced physical activity and constant access to energy-rich foods can contribute to health problems that were uncommon or less widespread in many earlier environments. The difference is not that ancient food was always better. The difference is that humans today live in a completely different relationship with food. One of the biggest changes in human history came with the development of agriculture. Farming allowed humans to produce more food, build permanent communities, and support growing populations. But archaeological evidence suggests that this transition also brought new health challenges for some populations, including changes in diet, living conditions, and exposure to disease. Agriculture was not simply a decline in human health. It was a major transformation that created both opportunities and difficulties. Every stage of human history has involved trade-offs. Ancient hunter-gatherers had physically active lives but faced dangers from nature. Farming societies gained stability but experienced new pressures. Modern societies have advanced medicine and technology, but face challenges linked to lifestyle and inactivity. This is why researchers must interpret archaeological evidence carefully. Ancient bones can reveal important information, but they do not tell the entire story of a person's life. A skeleton may show signs of physical activity, injury, or disease, but it cannot fully reveal health, happiness, social connections, or daily experiences. The past gives us clues, not simple answers. So, did ancient humans have better health? Not exactly. They had bodies adapted to physically demanding environments. They moved more, relied heavily on their physical abilities, and developed ways to survive difficult conditions. But they also lived with dangers that modern medicine has helped humanity overcome. Modern humans are not weaker versions of ancient people. We simply live in a different world, with different challenges and different advantages. The story of human health is not about one era being better than another. It is about adaptation. Ancient humans survived by responding to the demands of their environment. Modern humans survive through knowledge, technology, medicine, and the ability to change our surroundings. Understanding the past does not mean returning to it. It reminds us that health has always been connected to the relationship between our bodies, our environment, and the way we live. Ancient humans were not healthier or worse. They were different. And by studying their lives, we learn more about what it means to be human.